All right, guys, we're getting a new jet ski today. I've always wanted a jet ski, and y'all have provided me with the funding to purchase one. So today we're gonna test drive it and see if it's the one we want. Let's get it. 2005 Sea-Doo RXT supercharged, boys. Here we go, boys. Oh my God! Holy! New ski. What y'all thinking? This is where my dock used to be. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have to either fix the dock or get a new one. So we'll see what happens there. But I'm about to rip it.